is that noise? I think it's my brakes. Noise. What the hell is that noise? I don't know if you can hear that, guys, but it's just like a whistling noise. Well, I have no idea what the hell that is. That's kind of concerning me. Yo, yo, yodely, yo, yo, yo. And after that interesting start, and I think I can still hear it, I now have a whistling noise to my bike. Now I'm hoping that's nothing mechanical, but I've never ever heard that come from a bike before. That is the weirdest sound I've ever heard come from a bike. And it's still doing it. What the hell is that noise? Well, the good news is the whistling noise has gone. What the hell? I don't know whether it is a bit of moisture that's got trapped somewhere and it's somehow made a whistling noise. I don't know. Because I did wash my bike yesterday. Maybe? Would that cause that sort of noise? Because there's nothing there now. So yeah, guys, anyway, before I got rudely interrupted by the sound of my bike making weird noises, we have something interesting. I'm just about to head off to go and do some wheelie practice, but also I want to talk to you about something, and that is that there's going to be some big changes coming to my channel. Now, when I first started out doing YouTube, I used to upload probably about 4 times a week. But that has since pretty much stopped completely. I probably do about, even now, about 2 uploads a week. And as you all know, it's very, very hard to get noticed on YouTube if you don't constantly upload. So, I have a new routine. Now, I'm going to be uploading 4 times a week. I know, right? Crazy. 4 times a week. So I'm going to be uploading Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday. Now, Monday, Tuesday and Friday, I'm going to be uploading just motorbike videos. And that's just me doing what I do, basically, motovlogging. Let's not go down there. It's a dead end. But on Thursdays, I'm going to be doing a fitness video. Now, I've done fitness before, and you know what, guys? I have been so bad in keeping up my fitness. I have really, really been so bad. That's mainly because of all the things that's happened, and also mostly with work as well. I've never really had time to fit it in. But now I'm in a stable position where my job kind of, it goes around the things that I want most in life, which is doing YouTube and everything else, and so it's worked out great for me. So now I'm really going to keep at it, and I want to become absolutely ripped. Just ripped. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to see where I can take my body, basically, because the main reason I'm doing it anyway is for just if anybody's interested of seeing somebody go from scratch to, kind of basically ripped. So I'm basically going to call it The Road to Being Ripped. And that will be the name of that series. So if you want to watch it and you want to follow it, and if you've got any advice or anything else, then please go ahead and watch that. But as for motovlogging, Monday, Tuesday and Fridays will be motovlogging. I've purposely put myself out to do that because I really do want to spend more time doing YouTube, because I absolutely love it. And now I've got a bike, I feel so much more comfortable and happy doing it as well. Look at those views! This is an odd place to carry your bag. So if that interests you anyway, please go ahead and watch it on a Thursday. If not, hey, whatever. If you don't, then that's fine. Let's have a look what's here. Oh, bubbles. That is a lovely view right here. That is a nice little view, I must say. Put her down right here. You know I'm gonna get a photo. Oh boy, hello. YMCA, YMCA. It's like this, that, and this, and there. I get it. Yeah, yeah, boy. So I haven't yet got a clue what that whistling noise is. I'm pretty sure it's probably just a bit of trapped liquid somewhere. I mean, I was cleaning the bike yesterday. Oh crap, I've missed a bit. Ah! The main reason why I decided to do like 4 days a week is because, is because you guys, really. Because you want it. I've been asked by a lot of people, when you're uploading, are you going to upload more? And I'm going to do it, you know. I really love doing it, and it makes me happy, and it makes me happy to know that you're enjoying it and you're liking what I'm doing. If you've got any feedback of what you want me to do and everything else really, then please say, because I'm always open to opinions and everything else, because I really do appreciate that. Yeah. You alright? Mate, I think she's gonna start running. Oh my god. You go, girl. You get that fitness. She's heard about my fitness routine. I don't see why she's got an M&S bag. There's no bloody shops around here. Anyway, guys, off to the wheelie location. Right. Okay. Okay. I need to be careful on that landing, turning as well. I'm getting better at them. I feel myself. Well, I speak too soon. Like. Oh, okay. Yes, boy. You just got to be careful, I suppose, and not getting carried away, because you can get quite cocky and then just flip it. Okay. I've got to make sure I get it straight, because I'm cocking up. I don't know what I'm doing there. My balance is, it's leaning over left to right. I know like wheelies isn't a thing that you can really teach, because it's just you got to figure it out for yourself. You got to just feel it, haven't you? It's like riding a bike. Right, one more go and then we'll just go. Once you start wheeling, you just can't stop. You just want to get it, and it's so frustrating. And I know in time I'll get it, but I'm so impatient. Okay, that was a bit better. I've got to be careful when I drop it as well. One more, come on. Oh yeah, boy! Okay. okay, I'm going now. Okay. Okay, I really need to just get it. Like, it's so annoying as well, because you feel like you're getting it, and then you just go back to square one again. And then you feel like you're getting it, and then you just go back to square one. But I do feel like I've improved, especially from when I first started, so I think if I keep doing this, I'll be fine, I'll do it. Where did this girl even disappear to, anyway? Pretty sure she couldn't have walked that bloody fast. London Junction, Markdra. I think I will go. Do I want to go that way, or do I want to go that way? Do I want to go that way, or do I want to go that way? I'll go this way. Anyway guys, thank you once again for watching. As always, I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you haven't yet, tap that bell end. Please tap that bell end, because it'll notify you of any new videos up and coming. And I will see you again very soon. Bye!